If you want to grow faster than others, grow with technology. Hello everyone, this is Sudesh Shani. Welcome on my channel. We are learning these days Excel software from basic to advanced, and today we will learn about the file menu and some important shortcut. For this, firstly we will open our software. Just simple click on it and you will see software is on our screen. Today we will discuss about the file menu and some important shortcut. See this button, half on the title bar and half of the menu bar, it that represent the file menu. Simple click on it and you will notice all option of the file menu highlight on your screen. These options help us to work in our data. The first option is new, that help us to take a new blank workbook to start our data. When we completed our old workbook, then we use this option. Simple click on it and this dialog box will be open with the name of new workbook, and we can create a new blank workbook. These are the templates that help us to make our workbook fast, because these are the ready-made workbook, but now we need blank workbook. For this we will simple click on it and you will notice we will get a new blank workbook. We can start our data with fresh document. Every workbook has 3 sheets and we can add multiple sheets according to our requirement. Its shortcut is Shift plus 11. By this or by clicking on this button you can add multiple sheets according to your requirement. Next option is open, that help us to open all document, and these are the recent document that we have opened recently. We also can open from here and we can click on the open and you will notice open dialog box will open. We can move it anywhere and also we can drag it according to our requirement. We can change its size by dragging small or big. By scrolling we can check that document workbook that we need. Like I want to open this SR, and also we can write the name in file name box. Like I have write S and you will see a drop down. We can choose any workbook from there. Like I choose this and simple click on open. You will notice that workbook will be open on our screen. So now we will discuss about some shortcut that make our work easy and fast. For that, what we will do, if we want to apply border in our data, for this we will select the data by Control A. When we will press Control A, our all data will be selected and we can easily apply border. We will simple use a shortcut Alt plus H plus B plus A, and you will notice the border has applied on our screen. See, without border area will look like this, and with border this area look like this. I also show you by Control Z. Now this area look like this, and with border it look like this. And next shortcut will be when we want to change our data in chart. For this we will select the required data that we want to see in chart. After selecting the data, simple press Alt plus F1. When you press Alt plus F1, your data will be converted in chart. This is the chart of that data that you have selected. This is the chart, and these are the subjects. These are the name of students, and these bar highlight their marks. These are highlight their subjects, and these are the marks. This is the chart, and we can change the design of chart from here. Any design we can choose according to our choice. Like every design has its name like style 20, style 21, and any other on which you will click, the name will also highlight. Any, like I have choose this design, our chart also look like this. When we choose this, chart look like this. Any design we can choose, like I choose this, then chart will be look like this. Chart design totally depend on our choice. We also can change chart type when we click on it, and we also can move our chart when we click on change chart type, and you will see this dialog box will be open, change chart type. Now we are working on column. These are the column, this is the line. If you want to change it in line, then we can choose it, and more other templates also here like pie, bar, area, sy, xy, scatter, stroke, surface, definite, bubble, radar. Any chart we can use according to our choice and requirement, but now we are using this line chart. Simple select it and click on OK. You will notice your chart will be convert in the line chart. It's also giving the option of the design. You can choose any design, any style. Every style has a different look. Any style we can choose. It also give option to change the layout of the chart. We can choose any layout, like I have choose this, and you will notice the layout of the chart has totally changed. We can move our chart here and there according to our requirement, and we also can change its size, small or big. It's totally depend on our choice and the design of our workbook. We also can change chart title, place, and we will discuss this in insert menu. Now we have discussed simple shortcut of it. If we want to save our this document already saved, when we want to save our new document, like this is the workbook 2, this is not saved. If we want to save it, we can use for this F12 shortcut. If we not save our workbook, our data will not be safe. When we click F12, this dialog box will be open, and we can give any name to our workbook according to our choice. And like I have right here S.R1, and after writing the name of workbook, simple click on save, and you will notice our workbook name is highlighting on the title bar. Now our workbook is saved properly. So this is the shortcut F12 to save document, and this is the save option. We also can save it from the file menu like this, and our document is saved properly. Save as also help us to save our document. It use when we want to change any change in our document and our workbook, and we want to change the name of workbook, then we will use this option. The next shortcut we will discuss, if we want to, firstly I will delete this chart. Simple delete I have with the key of delete. If we want to convert our data in table, for this we will firstly select the data or area like Control A, and now simple press Control plus T, and this dialog box will be open. Then click on this box, my table has header, click on it and then press OK. You will notice your data has converted in a beautiful and fine table. You also can see by scrolling, and it also has a lot of design to change your table pattern. Any design you can choose. Every style has a different name. Like I have choose this, any style, totally depend on your choice. You can choose any style. I have selected this design, and you will see your table design is changing. Now your table looking like this. I hope you like this information and you enjoy the video, enjoy your learning. Thanks for watching.